Come. We have a simple problem to solve this morning. And the question says, simplify, bracket open, cube root 64a raised to power 3, bracket close, all raised to power minus 1. Okay, so we are going to solve this problem quickly. But before we'll be able to solve this problem, there are things you need to know, and that is laws of indices. So we are going to establish just about 3 of them, and with these 3 laws, we'll be able to solve this problem simply. Okay, now the first law says if we have s raised to power minus n, this is the same thing as 1 all over s raised to power n. So you take this one. The second one, if we have s raised to power 1 over n, this is the same thing as nth root of x. Okay? So you take the second one. The third one says if you have a raised to power n multiply b raised to power n. What is going to happen here? You can see that the powers are the same. We have n here, we have n here. So you take one of the powers, and then the bases are different. So you multiply the bases and raise it to the power of n. So we are going to have bracket open, a, b, bracket close, all raised to power n. Okay, is that clear? So having known this, then we move over to our question that says simplify, bracket open, cube root 64a raised to power 3, bracket close, all raised to power minus 1. So I'm going to be following this thing to solve the problem. First and foremost, I'm going to change this. So this minus sign here is going to change to division sign, okay? So that I'm going to have 1 divided by cube root 64a raised to power 3, okay? So this and this are the same. I just transformed it. All right, having done this, there's something I want to do now. I'm finding a number that I'm going to raise to power 3 so that when I do the multiplication, I'm going to have 64 back. And then that number is going to be 4. So if I say 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 4 is going to give me 64. Okay, so I'm going to do that now so that I'll have 1 all over cube root 4 raised to power 3 multiply a raised to power 3. So I've done that. All right. So what next should I do now? I'm going to remove this cube root following this. Remember, I told you if you have x raised to power 1 over n, it's still the same thing as nth root of x. So I want to change from this to this. This and this are the same. So I want to change from this now to this so that I'm going to have 1 all over bracket open 4 raised to power 3 a raised to power 3 bracket close all raised to power 1 over 3. So this is the same thing as cube root of 4 raised to power 3 a raised to power 3. All right. Now, following this, I said if you have bases that are not the same, but the powers are the same, you can take one of the power and multiply the base. So that is what I'm going to do now. So that I will now say 1 all over 4a all raised to power this 3. Remember, there's also a power outside here. Multiply by that power. 1 over 3. Okay? Simply, we cancel out. 3 we cancel 3. So we are left with equal to 1 all over 4a is our final answer. Or we can put it like this so that this is going to be 4a bracket close all raised to power minus 1. As simple as that. All right? Thank you. If you like the video, comment, like, and share. God bless you.